Hello. If you like nature and nature noises, then this is a video for you. With all different types of nature. First, the natures of chickens, chicks, ducks, and ducklings. Enjoy. Now, let's get closer to the If you are an Inder, I understand. I used to be an Inder kid. Always played video games, not going outside. Well, now, I love outdoors. If you're an outdoors kid, you can still be an indoors kid. Now, keep on watching. These nature sounds are just going to get louder and better. This is not advertised for sleeping music. Here's the sound of a pond with a fountain. Very peaceful. Now, let's go close to the trees. The birds over here, and maybe still hear the chickens. Very peaceful. If you want more nature videos, just like and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell. This is Riley, going out.